consulting with your client, one of the most important things to consider is the diagnostics of the hair and the scalp. It is essential that we diagnose the correct products for the hair type, the scalp condition, and making sure the product is perfect for your client's hair. This will ensure we get best results for the client every single time, and we see the immediate results and impact of the product. Upon diagnosing Lena's hair and scalp, we can see that there is a small amount of dryness and flakiness on the scalp. We are now going to use the SEAFLAKES Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. This shampoo is designed specifically to leave the hair flake-free, relieving itching, promoting scalp health, and then leaving the hair silky, smooth, and shiny. Again, I am applying this product directly to the scalp, making sure we cleanse the scalp first before working the product through to the mid-lengths and ends. Here you can clearly see the results of using the SeaScalp and SEAFLAKES line. The combination of the shampoo and the lotion has left the scalp feeling perfectly clear with no signs of any flakiness at all.